Hello children, today in this video I will teach you big and small. When we have two objects of unequal size, then one of the object is big and other one is the smaller. Okay. Now I have two teddy bears. In two teddy bears, one is the big, another one is the smaller. Okay, this one is the big, this one is the smaller. When the compare two teddy bears, this one is the bigger, this one is the smaller. Today topic also big and small. Size lo పెద్దగా ఉంటేనేమో big, size lo చిన్నగా ఉంటేనేమో small. Today onwards we are going to use textbooks. Okay, now open your textbooks. Okay, in textbook, what is the chapter name? First chapter, pre-number skills. Pre-number skills. P-R-E, pre, N-U-M-B-E-R, number, skills, S-K-I-L-S, pre-number skills. Topic, bigger than and smaller than. Bigger than means size lo పెద్దగా ఉంటేనేమో big, size lo చిన్నగా ఉంటేనేమో small. Okay, this one is the small, this one is the big. Okay, when they compare these two teddy bears, this one is the bigger, this one is the smaller. Now page number 5, first one, exercise 1. Okay, first take pencil all of you. Okay, now these are animals. Okay, one is the cow, another one is the cat. Okay, now this one is the cow big and cat small. The cow is bigger than the cat. The cat is smaller than the cow. Once again repeat. The cow is bigger than the cat. Means this one is the big. Size lo ela undi peddadiga undi. That's why this one is the big. The cat is smaller than the cow. When they compare two animals, this one is the big, this one is the small. Means this one, the cow is bigger than the cat is smaller than the cow. Now exercise 1, first one. Okay, take pencil also. నేను టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో చూపించేటప్పుడు మీరు కూడా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో టిక్ చేయాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ ఫినిషింగ్ సెండ్ టు యువర్ క్లాస్ టీచర్. ఫస్ట్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బుక్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 1. ఫస్ట్ వన్, టిక్ ద బిగ్గర్. ఓకే, బిగ్గర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టిక్ and cross the smaller one you put cross. Okay, first. Okay, these are animals. One is the cat, another one is the mouse. Now the cat is bigger than the mouse. The mouse is smaller than the cat. Means this one is the bigger. Okay, bigger object what we are do? Put thick. Means right పెట్టండి అందరూ. Bigger ki right పెట్టాలి. Next, this one, the mouse is smaller than the cat. Means this one is the smaller. ఇది size లో పెద్దదిగా ఉంది cat. ఇక్కడ here this one is the small. Means this one is the big, this one is the smaller. Smaller one you put cross. Go to next picture. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Yeah, these are animals. Okay, one is the big, another one is the small. రెండు సేమ్ సైజ్లో ఉన్నాయా? No. This one is the big, this one is the small. The elephant is bigger than the horse. The horse is smaller than the elephant. Means this one is the big. సైజులో ఎలా ఉంది? పెద్దదిగా ఉంది. సైజులో పెద్దదిగా ఉంటేనేమో big, సైజులో చిన్నగా ఉంటేనేమో small. Means this one is the big. Okay, the elephant is bigger than the horse. The horse is smaller than the elephant. Okay, bigger object you put thick and smaller one put cross. Okay, go to next picture. Okay, these are also animals. One is the small, another one is the big. Okay, now smaller object what we are do? Small one came cheyali, put cross. Okay, put cross. ఇది సైజులో పెద్దదిగా ఉంది, ఇది సైజులో చిన్నదిగా ఉంది. Means smaller one put cross. Means put cross here. And this one big. Put thick. Go to next picture. This one is the squirrel, this one is the cow. Okay, now the squirrel is smaller than the cow. The cow is bigger than the squirrel. Means this one is the small, this is the big. Means the smaller one you put cross, bigger one put thick. Size lo chinnadiga undi this one, and this one size lo peddadiga undi. Means this one is the big and this one is the small. When the compare two animals, this one is the bigger, this is the smaller. Okay, bigger, smaller. Smaller one put cross, bigger one put thick. Okay, go to next picture. What is this? Tell me, what is this? Yeah, these are vehicles. These are vehicles. Okay, now this one is the big, this one is the small. Okay, bigger and smaller. When they compare two vehicles, this is the bigger, this one is the smaller. The bus is bigger than the scooter. The scooter is smaller than the bus. Means bigger object put thick and smaller one put cross. The bus is bigger than the scooter. The scooter is smaller than the bus. Okay, bigger one size lo bus ela undi peddadiga undi, scooter chinnadiga undi, size chinnadiga undi. This is the size small, means this one is the big. Okay, big and small. The bus is bigger than the scooter, the scooter is smaller than the bus. Okay, bigger one put thick, right, go tell first one. Next, smaller one put cross. Go to next picture. What is this? Yeah, these are fruits. Okay, now this one is the big, this one is the small. Bigger one, what we are do? Put thick. Okay, now this one is the smaller. Okay, the watermelon is bigger than the apple. The apple is smaller than the watermelon. Means bigger one put right, smaller one put cross. After finishing this one textbook, post to your class teacher. Now open your maths classworks. Open your maths classwork. Okay, first write date on the top, write date. Next, write from here, top, chapter name 1, full stop, take some gap, finger gap, P, capital letter, P, or, small r, E, pre, hyphen, numbers N, U, M, B, E, or, pre number, finger gap, skills, S capital letter, S, K, I, L, L, S, pre number skills. Okay, topic, leaves box, start from here, bigger, B, capital B, I, G, G, E, or, bigger, finger gap, than, T, H, A, N, bigger than, hyphen, smaller, S, M, A, L, L, E, or, smaller than, T, H, A, N, bigger than and smaller than. Okay, leave one box, start from here, thick, T, I, C, K, thick, the, T, H, E, the, thick, the, bigger, finger gap, B, I, G, G, E, or, thick, the, bigger, and finger gap, A-N-D, and cross, finger gap, cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross, the, T-H-E, the, cross the, smaller, S-M-A-L-L-E-R, smaller. ఓకే, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తున్నానో మీరు కూడా మీ నోట్బుక్లో డ్రా చేయాలి. ఓకే, సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేయడం వచ్చు కదా, డ్రా సర్కిల్. Okay, these are balls. What is the question? Tick the bigger and cross the smaller. Smaller one kemo cross cheyali, bigger one kemo tick cheyali. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, after finishing, post to your class teacher. Now open diaries, all of you. Okay, this one is the practice. This is the homework. Means writing class work only. After finishing, post to your class teacher. Notebook and textbook also. In textbook, this one also post to your class teacher. Okay, this is the complete after post to your class teacher, and notebook also. Notebook complete after post to your class teacher. Now open your diaries. Okay, write day, Monday, date 14, subject maths. Practice, practice in rub book. Practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. Practice, page number 5. Okay, this is your diary work. Practice page number 5. Practice in rub book. Which book are you practice? Rub book in practice. This one is the class work, check rule notebook. After finishing, post to your class teacher. Maths notebook and test book. Notebook send cheyali, test book kuda send cheyali. Okay, today I am going to wind up the class. We will meet next class with another topic. Okay, bye. Take care.